Hi, this is Boshi. Today I want to talk about the last question for the homework 8. So for the last question, they want us to show that if normal process is a wide sense stationary, which is SSS, then WSS, then it is a straight sense stationary, which is SSS. So for this question, we can write a function which is fx, x1, x2 until xn, and t1, t2 until tn, which is equal to fx, x1, x2 until xn. This part is same, but for this part, we need to add this part for every t, so until tn. So as we know, xt is normal. Xt is normal. So we can write a function for this part, which is fx, x1, x2 to xn, and t1, t2 to tn, which is equal to 1 divided by square root of 2 pi n. This is a long function, and I will write it out. And in this part, because of this structure, the C in here, in this structure is made by the autocorrelation function. So I wanna write out what is autocorrelation function. I just write the function out. I will use it in the future proof. So because of this C in this autocorrelation function, which is a autocorrelation function, is rt1 t2 equal e xt1 x t2. So this is autocorrelation function, and the autocorrelation function is a time difference. So we can know the C is also time difference. So we can write out C equal e x minus this one times x minus this one, which is equal to e to x times t1 minus e to the x t1 until x tn minus e to the x tn. And it times x t1. I read this part in here is times x t1 minus e to the x t1 to the x tn times x e to the x tn. So this is matrix. We can write out it like times these two parts, which is equal to a matrix. We can write out the matrix, which is equal to r t1 t2 minus this square. Oh, this part is come from the WSS and until to t1 tn in this line, because this is a matrix. And for this part, this line is until to t1 tn minus this part. And for the last part, which is r tn minus this one, and this part is equal to, we can calculate it which is equal to R0 minus this part to time difference, T1 minus Tn, and this part is T1 minus Tn also to Tn minus Tn, and this is equal to the function of C, which is C equal T1 minus T2, T1 minus T3. Because use the matrix, we can calculate this out. Tn minus 1 minus Tn. And this part is Ti minus Ti for I not equal I, this two. And Ij equal 1 to n. So we can prove that if the normal process is a y distance stationary, then it is a SSS.